Good morning. Assalamu alaikum, students. Take out your language tree book and page number is 46. We are going to start unit 8. The next unit, the new unit. Unit number 8, page number 46. We will start reading. The topic is encyclopedia extract. Page is mentioned on the board and the unit number is also mentioned on the board. Take out page number 46 and unit number 8, encyclopedia extract. Now what is encyclopedia? Encyclopedia is a book containing many articles arranged in alphabetical order. एक बुक होती है एक जिसमें बहुत सारी आर्टिकल्स होती हैं, बहुत सारी चीजों के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, बट उसको अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में यानी कि अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फाबेट्स ABCD अरेंज किया हुआ होता है. सो वहां से ये एक्सट्रैक्ट एक पीस लिया गया है आर्टिकल का about the leatherback sea turtle. Have you seen the leatherback sea turtle? This is the picture. ये देखिए गौर से. It is very huge and very heavy turtle. ये बहुत ही भारी होता है और बहुत ही बड़ा टर्टल होता है बाकी टर्टल्स के साथ. जो लोकल टर्टल्स होते हैं हमारे सीज में उनसे काफी डिफरेंट होता है. ये ओशंस में पाया जाता है. And its back is of made up of leather. इसकी जो बैक होती है ना वो लेदर से बनी हुई होती है. I want you people to know to ask what do you know already about the turtles? आपको turtles के बारे में पहले से कौन-कौन सी information पता है? क्या-क्या information आपको turtles के बारे में पता है? वो कहाँ रहते हैं? कहाँ eggs lay करते हैं? What would you like to find out about them? और क्या information आप उनके बारे में लेना चाहोगे? Now while reading this passage हम क्या find out कर सकते हैं? Scan the passage, find out something about the size and weight of the leatherback turtle, where it lay its eggs. We can find two things about the leatherback turtle. First is the size and weight. इसका कितना size होता है, कितना बड़ा होता है, और इसका weight कितना होता है. Secondly, where it lays its eggs. ये turtle अपने eggs कहाँ lay करते हैं, whether on the ground or in the water. We will read this and we will get the answers of these two questions. Listen to it carefully and open your books, turn on your cameras, everyone. I will ask you questions at the end of the unit about the passage and about leatherback turtle, what we have read and what information have we gained. आपको ये chapter पढ़ के क्या information मिली है? At the end of the lecture मैं वो आपसे पूछूंगी. Okay? Facts about the leatherback turtle. Now facts जो real चीजें हैं जो हकीकत है जिस leatherback turtle के बारे में. Leatherbacks have lived in the ocean for more than 65 million years. Oceans में इनको रहते हुए कितने साल हो गए? 65 million years. They are the largest living turtle. They are largest living turtle means कि जो जिंदा है अभी तक. जो अभी तक भी ओशंस में पाए जाते हैं, but they can be up to 2 meters long and often weigh more than 300 kg. They are 2 meter long. And what is their weight? Their weight is 300 kgs. Can you imagine 300 kgs? ये कितने ज़्यादा heavy होंगे क्योंकि इनका weight बहुत ज़्यादा. What they eat jellyfish and sea plants. They often live more than 40 years. One leatherback turtle can live up to more than 40 years. 40 साल तक उससे भी कभी-कभी ज़्यादा ये जिंदा रह सकते हैं leatherback turtles. Now what facts we have learned about this weight? The weight is 300. They are 2 centimeters long. They live in oceans for more than 65 million years. And they can live up to 40 years. We have learned 4 facts about leatherback turtles. Okay, you have to keep them in your mind. Their weight is 300 kg. The length is 2 centimeters. They can live up to 40 years, and they are living in oceans more than 65 million years ago. These are the 4 facts we have learned, and you have to keep them in your head. Where leatherbacks live? Up the next is leatherbacks रहते कहाँ पे? Leatherbacks spend almost all their life in the sea. They spend their life in the sea. उस समंदर में रहते हैं. However, females always return to the beach where they hatched to lay their eggs. Now, the male are in the water, but remain in the water for whole of their life. अपनी पूरी जिंदगी पानी में रहते. But the females होती हैं turtles, they return back to the beach on the ground, on the sand. They hatch their eggs there. वहाँ पे अंडे देती हैं. They nest on beaches of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Ocean. Now they nest are on the beaches, not inside the water. पानी के अंदर उनके घोंसले नहीं होते, उनके नेस्ट नहीं होता. They are on the beaches. बीच के ऊपर होते हैं, सैंड के ऊपर होते हैं. On the beaches of Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. On 3 oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Now take out page number 47. Page number 47. How leatherbacks breed. Now how they breed? Females come out of water at night and crawl up to the beach. As I told you, their nests are on the beaches, so they lay eggs on the beaches. Female comes out of the water and at the night, not in the morning, not in the day, at night. Female comes out of the water at night and crawl up the beach, as you can see in the picture, and they crawl up to the beach. पानी के रेत के ऊपर समंदर की बीच की वहाँ पे जाते हैं. They dig a hole with their flippers. Now what are flippers? These two hands, in common language we can say hands. With these two flippers, they dig a hole for their nest. They dig a hole with their flippers and lay about 70 eggs at a time. एक time में 70 eggs lay करती है female. Then they return to the sea. After laying the egg, the female return back to the sea, and after about 60 days later, the young turtles hatch and crawl towards the water. अब 60 days के बाद, about 2 months, the young turtles they hatch, वो अंडे से बाहर निकलते हैं and crawl towards the water. खुद ही crawl करके पानी की तरफ जाते हैं. Female doesn't come back to take them with her. They crawl back toward water by themselves. Now, what we have learned in this paragraph that they can lay about 70 eggs at a time. The eggs are hatched after 60 days, and the younger one crawls back to the water by themselves. 60 days के बाद जब eggs में से small turtles निकलते हैं, वो खुद ही they return back by themselves in the water. Now, what are the dangers to leatherbacks? The next topic heading is dangers to leatherback. Leatherback turtles को dangers क्या है? उनको क्या खतरा है? About 25 years ago, there were 1,15,000 female leatherbacks. 25 साल पहले, about 25 years ago, 25 साल पहले, there were 1,15,000 female leatherbacks. But now, what is the condition now? कि अब कितने रह गए हैं? Now there are only 25,000. Can you imagine? 1,15,000 से अब सिर्फ और सिर्फ कितने बच गए? 25,000. Now, what is the greatest danger to these turtles? We humans, हम इंसान इन सब के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक होते हैं. We humans are more dangerous to the animals than animals are to us. हम इंसान जानवरों के लिए ज़्यादा खतरनाक होते हैं, जबकि जानवर हमारे लिए इतने खतरनाक नहीं होते. Humans are the greatest danger they face. See, humans are the greatest danger they face. Poachers steal their eggs or kill turtles for their meat. Turtles are often caught in fishing nets. Sometimes people walk on turtle nests and destroy the eggs. Carelessly or maybe जानबूझ के, the poachers, the people who come on the beach, they just walk through on the nest, उनके nest के ऊपर के घोंसलों के ऊपर से गुजर जाते हैं और उनके eggs को destroy कर देते हैं. So this is how humans are danger to these leatherback turtles. They destroy their eggs, they steal their eggs, or they kill turtles for their meat. Some people eat the meat of turtles as well. So they kill them for their meat. They kill their eggs. They steal their eggs. They caught them in their nets. So this is how humans are danger for leatherback turtles. Now this is the last topic, protecting leatherbacks. How we can protect them? If something is causing danger, so there is something to protect them. अगर कोई इंसान या कोई भी चीज किसी चीज को खतरा पहुंचा रही है, so उसको बचाने के लिए भी कोई ना कोई चीज, कोई ना कोई रास्ता लाने रखा हो. So protecting leatherbacks. How we can protect leatherbacks? If leatherbacks are not protected soon, there will be none left. If now there are only how much 25,000 species are left of leatherbacks, that only female, only 25,000. How many were in total before 25 years ago? They were 1,15,000. Now they are only 25,000. Now if we are not able to protect these 25,000, then none will be left on the earth. In most countries, groups of volunteers take action. They count the number of turtle nests on beaches. They make sure that females can lay their eggs and return to the water safely. Now, there are a group of volunteers who by themselves, on their own, are protecting the leatherbacks by taking action. How they take action? They count the number of nests which are on the beaches of Atlantic, Indian and Pacific Ocean. On the beaches of Atlantic, Indian and Pacific Ocean, the volunteers go and count the nest and eggs of the turtles, and they make sure that female came out of the water, laid sex safely, and return back to the water. And after 16 days, the eggs are also hatched properly. कुछ volunteers हैं जो अपनी मर्जी, अपनी मदद के तहत इंडियन पैसिफिक और अटलांटिक ओशन में जिनके नेस्ट होते हैं उनकी निगरानी करते हैं, उनको देखते हैं और ये मेक श्योर करते हैं कि फीमेल आए और एग्स लेकर के वापस जाए और आफ्टर 60 डेज वो एग्स भी सेफली हैच हो जाए और जो यंग टर्टल्स हैं वो वापस अपने समुद्र में चले जाए. Now the one thing I think we have learned from this is how humans are endangering the animals, whether sea animals, whether in forest. हम फॉरेस्ट में भी जाते हैं शिकार करने के लिए, तो उनकी स्किन के लिए, उनकी लेदर के लिए हम उनको कत्ल कर देते हैं, अपने शौक के लिए मार देते हैं. So we humans are more dangerous than animals to anything on this earth. Now if humans stop doing this, start protecting the environment and the animals, so this place will be a peaceful place. So we have gained some information about the leatherback sea turtle. I will ask you at the end of the lecture. I will ask you question today, not you people will ask. I will ask you questions about this, and you will tell me about the facts and things which we have learned about this sea turtle. Now, from next lecture, जो next lecture आपका होगा on Wednesday. So then I will ask you question. I will take you a small test of chapter number 1. We will start from chapter number 1. Do reading properly. Do read the chapter properly. And oral आपका test दूंगी मैं इसमें से. जो भी हमने simple and simple present tense पढ़ा है, punctuation पढ़ा है, and the chapter. I will take a small oral test of your chapter number 1 on Wednesday. Take out page number 48. Take out page number 48. This is page number 48. Take out page number 48. Language adverbs of time. We have learned adverb. Now we will learn about adverb of time. What is adverb of time? We use the following words to tell us how often things happen. sometimes, often, usually, always, never. हम किसी भी चीज को बताने के लिए कुछ words use करते हैं कि वो चीज कैसे कैसे हुई है. So what we use the words sometimes, often, usually, always, and never. For example, female turtles usually live in the sea. Female turtle, if you remove usually, female turtles live in the sea. That we know. How this is happening? ये चीज हो कैसे रही है? Female turtle, how it's live in the water, in the sea. Female turtles usually live in the sea. They sometimes leave the sea to lay their eggs. Now we know female turtle leave the sea to lay eggs, but how often? कितनी time तक, कितनी देर के लिए? Sometimes, कभी-कभी, कुछ देर के लिए. For some time, female turtle come out of the sea to lay eggs. They return to beach where they hatch. Now, how often they return to beach? वो कब beach पे return करते हैं? जब उनके eggs hatch जाते हैं. They always means हमेशा. So this is the thing. We use the following words to tell us how often कि कोई भी चीज अगर हुई है तो वो किस हद तक हुई है. तो उस चीज को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. जो किस चीज, कौन सी चीज किस टाइम पे हुई है. तो उसके लिए हम कौन से वर्ड यूज करते हैं? Sometimes, often, usually, always, and never. These are the 5 words which we use to describe how often things happen at that specific period of time. Now look this question number 1. Complete these sentences with the most suitable word. Now sentences are given. These are the words. Now we will fill this with these words. Number 1. I never see hummingbird in my yard. I never. In first line you will add never. I never see hummingbirds in my yard. Page number 48, question number this 1. Page number 48, question number 1. Adverb of time. I never see hummingbirds in my yard. Number 2. People sometimes walk on turtle's nest. People does not always walk. People does not usually walk. They sometimes. People sometimes walk on the turtle's nest. Number 3. Mangoes always kill snakes. Always. Mongooses always kills snakes. Number 4. People usually keep our dog as a pet. People usually keep our dog as a pet. Usually means अक्सर. अक्सर जो लोग होते हैं वो dog को as a pet रखते हैं. Wolves often live in a pack. Wolves often live in a pack. Number 6. We should never steal turtles' eggs. We should never steal turtles' eggs. So this is how it happens. Never. We should never steal turtles' eggs because it will be dangerous for their species. It will end their species. Now look at page number 49. This question number 2. Words are given like sometimes, often, usually, always, and never. And you have to use these words in sentences of your own. अपने sentences में use करना है. आपने अपनी sentences बनाने हैं. What are the words? Sometimes, often, usually, always, never. These are the 5 words which you have to use in sentences of your own on copies. ये वाला काम अपने copies पे करना है by using these words in your own sentences. Now see, word study abbreviations. What are abbreviations? We use the shorter form of the word to write it or to describe it. Now what we use abbreviations to write words in a shorter way. कोई भी word होता है उसकी abbreviation को हम इसलिए लिखते हैं ताकि हम उसको shorter way में लिख सकें. जैसे कि अब doctor है. What will be the abbreviation of doctor? We don't write always DOCTOR. we write its abbreviation. What is its abbreviation? Its abbreviation is DR, doctor. Meter. What is the abbreviation of meter? The abbreviation of meter will be only M, small m. And for names, for using name, we just write initials. Initials means के first name और last name के initial first letter. जैसे Salim Tariq. What are the initials of Salim Tariq? S for Salim, dot T for Tariq. Salim Tariq. These are the initials of Salim Tariq. What are initials? The first letter of first name and the first letter of last name. These two are the initials and these are the abbreviation for Salim Tariq. Now look at this exercise. Question number 1. Write these in a shorter way. These are the words. You have to write them in a shorter way. How you will write? Mr. Kashif Faizi. What is the abbreviation of Mr.? We write MR. 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 Kashif Faizi. So this will be the abbreviation for Mr. Kashif Faizi. Here are given some abbreviation, like for Mr. it is MR, Mrs. MRS, Street ST, Road RD, Saint ST, North N, South S, East E, West W, kilogram kg, meter M. These are the abbreviations. Some of the common abbreviations given here. You can use them from here and you can use them in these sentences. Like South America, for South you will write S, and for America you will use America full form. 21 coastal road. 21 coastal पूरा लिखेंगे और रोड के लिए आप RD लगा देंगे. 300 kilograms. For kilograms we use kg. 300 and then kg. Kilograms के लिए आप क्या use करते हो? kg. It is given here. For kilogram we use kg. The abbreviation of kilogram is kg. North America, for north you will write N, और America क्योंकि country है उसकी कोई abbreviation नहीं होती, so you will write it like that. North America. 2 meter. The abbreviation for meter is M. 2 लिख के साथ M लगा देंगे. 2 meter. Dr. Fatima Habib. The abbreviation for doctor will be DR, Fatima F, and Habib is the last name, so you will write it like that. Saint Michel's School. For Saint we use ST. Michel's School आप वो वैसे का वैसे ही full form में लिखोगे. I'm writing your homework on the board. I'm giving you homework of language tree book, your language tree workbook. Take out your language tree workbook and note down your homework for it. Previously, I have given you homework of page number 18 and 19. Today, I will give you page number 20 and 21. Take out page number 21. So workbook page number 20, question number 5 and 6, page number 21, question number 7 and 8 on books. You have to do this work on your workbooks. You have to do your work, all this work on workbooks, not on copies. And you have oral test of unit 1 on Wednesday. Do mention this oral test of unit 1 on Wednesday. Question answers question answers निकाल के question answers नहीं होंगे, all the exercise and about the chapter reading भी होगी उसमें. So so you have to do this oral test on Wednesday of unit number 1. Now, if you have any question, you can ask me.